Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss our Unit 5 Database Management System along with GIS. What is the output we can expect? So the unit name is Data Management and then Output. So the topic today we are going to discuss about the raster to vector conversion. So the course outcome of this topic is experiment with overlay analysis to develop thematic map. The program outcome of this topic is 1, 3, 5, 6, 7 and then 9. So the program specific outcome is 1. The outcome of this topic is experiment with overlay analysis to develop thematic maps. So the definition, the process of converting paper map into digital files. So basically the process of inputting paper drawings or documents into an electronic format such as CAD or GIS so that the user has the ability to manipulate or view the map digitally. This also allows the user to view the image with coordinate attached. So why is it performed? To assist in the creation of electronic maps and drawings that can aid in design and engineering. Scanners create raster images which cannot be interpreted by CAD type programs. Thus, these raster images must be converted into vector images. However, CAD program cannot convert raster images into vector images unless assisted by conversion program. So know your enemies. Like surveyors use coordinate geometry and analytical computations to construct a subdivision plan and accurate but expensive approaches. Many countries and cities use the inaccurate but inexpensive approach of raster to vector map conversion. These parcel maps are available online. So to name a few countries, Nuon country and then Montclair country, Ottawa countries. So Kent country, so ras.org, so raster to vector process, scan the first hour map, upload the raster image into your raster to vector converter, for example raster designed by Autodesk. Use the coordinates of known point, section corners, GPS points to orient the map. So convert map to vector file, check for errors and edit correct these problems. There are three basic methods of performing raster to vector operation, like manually, semi-automatic, fully automatic. So manual, this is the most time consuming method. It can be the most accurate way to perform vectorization. Semi-automatic, faster than manual, slower than fully automatic. High accuracy is still easily achievable. Most vectorization is done with this method. Fully automatic, by far the fastest way to perform raster to vector conversion, can have a lot of problems with accuracy, multiple free programs available. So uses easy method to obtain initial approximated coordinates for corners. Achieving can be used to store old maps, architectural, mechanical drawings, reduced space. So digitize old map to use as a parcel layer for information purpose, not for engineering purposes. So problem in the raster to vector process, most software packages will draw a curve as a sequence of small line segment. So problem in the raster to vector process, distance, bearings and curve information are not preserved. So the conclusions, although the rasters to vector method is inaccurate and not accurable for legal purposes, are appropriate for detailed design and engineering work. It is a quick and inexpensive method to obtain parcel information. Many countries are now providing this parcel information online. Surveyors should be aware of the limitations and problems of parcel data obtained through raster to vector techniques. So the conversion, the following are example of tools in ArcMap will convert raster to vector or vector to raster. So see the raster to point, like raster to point we can use raster to polyline like contour, stream to feature, raster to polyline, cast path, then raster to polygon, view shed, watershed, raster to polygons. So the conversion through point to raster, interpolation tool, stringing, IDW, splines, etc. via, then density tools, kernel density, point to raster, polyline to raster, polyline to raster, raster domain, polygon to raster, polygon to raster, raster domain, topo to raster. So the assessment of the session, write the procedure for conversion of raster to vector. These are the reference material. Thank you.